Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to see if a new table saw blade will improve cut quality. Let's get started. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to test the cut with the existing blade and see what the result is. All right, let's take a look at the cut. Got quite a bit of tear out and a lot of splintering on the edge. Okay. All right, let's change the blade and repeat the test. First thing we want to do is make sure that the saw is unplugged. Okay, no power. All right, we're set. "10" 24 tooth, fast cutting. And we're replacing it with a 10" 60 tooth Diablo blade. The new blade installed. Let's go ahead and repeat the cut. There's still a little bit of tear out on there. Let's compare up close to. All right. So the one on your right is the old original saw blade, 24 tooth. Quite a bit of tear out. The one on the left here still tear out, but the cut is a little better. It's improved in some areas, but not across the board. There is overall less tear out on the new blade, and I could tell that it cut better. But there is still quite a bit of tear out. I think a zero clearance will help with that. All right, so I've done a few more cuts, and I can tell that the result has improved significantly. It's just cutting way smoother, less tear out. There's still some, but there's less, noticeably less.